Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to pause account on Tinder. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Tinder application. You can see over here Tinder application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to take a break from Tinder and if you want to pause your account, for that tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your account over here. So what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom you'll be able to find the option for delete account. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Instead of deleting the account, you'll be able to pause your account. If you would like to keep your account but not be shown to others, you can pause your account. So simply tap on this option, pause my account, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, your account will be paused. That means your account will not be deleted but it will not be shown to others. So that is how you pause account on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.